That's fast.
If you're looking for a sports car that can tear up the track, take a look at these top 10 Corvettes. Number 1. The upcoming 2025 C8 ZR1 is currently the fastest Corvette ever produced. It has a top speed of 220 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. The ZR1 line has a history of setting and breaking Corvette's top speed records. The 2025 ZR1's 8th generation V8 engine packs a punch with 670 horsepower, but premium upgrades can get the model up to 800. It won't come cheap. The starting price is expected to be around $150,000. Number 2. 2024 E-Ray. One of the fastest Corvettes is actually a hybrid, the 2024 E-Ray. This gas-electric model is Chevy's first foray into hybrid vehicles under the Corvette brand. Other Corvettes can beat its top speed of 180 miles per hour, but the E-Ray currently has the fastest acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. The E-Ray has an interesting powertrain setup, although not all Corvette fans are happy with it. The front and back wheels actually have separate power sources, with the car's engine powering the back wheels and the electric motor powering the front wheels. The hybrid all-wheel drive does give the E-Ray fantastic grip, making it a good everyday sports car that can also perform on the track. Number 3. 2022 C8 Z06. The 8th Gen Z06 is one of Corvette's lower-priced performance cars, but it still clocks in at a top speed of 195 miles per hour. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 2.6 seconds. That's especially impressive considering the starting price is under $80,000. In speed tests, it handily competes with a flashier McLaren 765 LT Spider and offers an engine sound comparable to a Ferrari. The Tour and Track modes make it adaptable enough to be a fun everyday sports car. Number 4. 2019 C7 ZR1. This one was a hit when it came out and remains one of the fastest and coolest models you can buy. On top speed alone, this is the second fastest Corvette ever made and has a top speed of 210 miles per hour and an acceleration of 0 to 60 in 2.85 seconds. This is a Corvette that was built for the track. Its powerful V8 engine delivers 775 horsepower and also handles corners better than many other Corvettes. Number 5. 2020 C8 Stingray. If you're looking for your first supercar, the 2020 C8 Stingray is definitely worth checking out. Not only is it one of the fastest Corvettes, it is also one of the most affordable with a starting price around $60,000. This model has a top speed of 194 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. The Stingray has a mid-engine design and a silhouette reminiscent of European sports cars. The V8 engine delivers 490 horsepower and the engine is rear-wheel drive. There are also some great utility features, such as front and back trunks and an incredibly smooth tour mode. Number 6. 2013 C6 ZR1 is surprisingly competitive with its 8th generation 2019 descendant. The 6th generation engine on the 2013 ZR1 can hit up to 205 miles per hour with an acceleration from 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Even a decade after its original release, this model can still perform with the best. In fact, it's competitive with much younger supercars like the Lamborghini Huracan. So, if you're looking for a top-notch Corvette but can't get your hands on a C7 or C8 model, the C6 ZR1 is definitely worth checking out. Used models can be found for less than $100,000. Number 7. 2009 Z06 GT1 Championship Edition. This is a special model of the 6th generation Z06 designed to compete with top European supercars the likes of Ferrari. It is a limited edition production car, so it can be tough to find on the market. Originally priced around $85,000, but used models typically go for around $60,000 today. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, the Z06 GT1 Championship is a powerful car. It was built to commemorate Corvette's success on the track in the Le Mans Racing Series. That history definitely shows in the design, particularly the iconic yellow version of this model. Number 8. 2011 C6 Z06 Carbon Edition. The Special Carbon Edition gave the 6th Gen Z06 a notable boost in performance thanks to some premium upgrades. This limited edition model is designed for the track with lighter construction throughout. It has a top speed of 198 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The carbon fiber build of this special edition makes it competitive with the more premium ZR1 in both quality and performance. It can be tricky to find one for sale due to the small number of production models Chevrolet manufactured. If you can get your hands on a 2011 Z06 Carbon in good condition, it's sure to impress. Number 9. The 2017 Corvette C7 Z06 might not be the fastest Corvette, but it's still easily in the top 10 and much more affordable than some of its competitors. Starting around $52,000, this slick sports car delivers awesome performance. It has a top speed of 197 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds or less. It's known for its quick, grippy handling and smooth automatic transmission. Inside, it has an adaptable digital heads-up display that can show everything from your speedometer to live GPS directions. For those looking for the top-of-the-line version of this model, go for the Classy Grand Sport Edition. Number 10. 2005 C6 Z06. If you're thinking about buying a slightly older Corvette but still want something with good performance, take a look at the 2005 C6 Z06. It's almost 20 years old, but packs a punch. With a top speed of 199 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Its 6th gen engine pushes over 500 horsepower. It was hugely popular when Corvette originally released it, and many consider it part of a golden age for Corvette. It remains one of the coolest Corvettes you can buy. The handling is firm and stable, even when taking corners. It's fairly attainable as far as high-end Corvettes go. The starting price in 2005 was only $65,800, so you can expect used models to cost significantly less than that, often between $20,000 to $40,000. Corvettes are known for speed as one of America's top supercar brands. The fastest Vettes are pretty pricey, but many models from the last 10 to 20 years still hold up.